morning, children. I hope all are happy. Yes. I hope you are all are preparing for very well about your periodic test. And tomorrow our examination is going to start. Right? That is on 9th September. Okay? 9th September. Please prepare for the topics which I have given. That is changing of the earth, air and water. The maximum marks will be 16 marks. 16 for geography and 24 marks for history. So 24 plus 16, 40 marks. So let us will continue with the topics. So we have been earlier class we have been discussing about the human environment, settlement, transport and communication. We have been discussing about settlements. Then we will continue with the same topic. Is it clear? Let us see.
This module includes introduction, settlements, types of settlements, transport, communication, means of communication, recapitulation. Let us now move forward and study about communication. Communication is the process of conveying messages to others. The advancement of communication has brought the information revolution. Different modes of communication are used to provide information, to educate as well as entertain. Let us look at these pictures to find out how mediums of communication have changed through ages. The means of communication can broadly be divided into personal means of communications and mass means of communications.
Children, let us see here. Here communication. The means of communication can be classified into two types. One is personal communication and second is mass communication. Now let us see about what are these communications. What are personal mass communication and mass communication?
Let us first discuss the personal means of communications. Postal Services. It is a method for transmitting information and tangible objects. Written documents, typically enclosed in envelopes or small packages, are delivered to destinations around the world.
So here the Postal Services is a method of transforming the information and tangible objects, written documents, typically enclosed in envelopes or small packages, are delivered to destinations around the world.
Telephone. It is now one of the most common household appliances in the developed world. It is considered indispensable to the business industry and government.
Now at present, you see, children, the telephone is one of the most common household appliances in the developed world. It is considered indispensable to the business, industry, and government.
Facts. This device is also known as telecopy in certain industries. While sending documents to people at long distances, faxes have a distinct advantage over the postal mail, as the delivery of the documents is nearly instantaneous. Now let us discuss mass media. Mass media disseminates information to a larger number of people at the same time. It is a quick and easy way of passing information. It also saves time and money. We will discuss the various mediums of mass media in the following slides. Radio. Early usage of radio was for maritime purpose. Telegraphic messages were sent by using Morse code between the ships and the land. One of the most memorable uses of marine telegraphy was during the sinking of the RMS Titanic in 1912. Television. Television played a pivotal role in socialization during the 20th and 21st centuries. Many social aspects of the television that can be addressed include educational advantages, socializing children, influence of television in forming public opinion, alleged dangers, technology trends. Internet. Internet is a standardized global system for interconnected computer networks that connects millions of people. Uses of Internet. It connects people through wireless telephonic communication. It provides worldwide information. It reserves tickets for railways, airways, hotels, or cinemas sitting at home. Newspaper. It is a publication containing news, information, and advertising. General interest newspapers often feature articles on political events, crime, business, art or entertainment, society, and sports. Books. It is a set or collection of written, printed, illustrated, or blank sheets made of paper, parchment, or the other materials, usually fastened together to hinge at one end.
So mass media is another example is books, radio, television, etc. So now you can see here books is a set or collection of written, printed, illustrated or blank sheets made of paper, parchment, and other materials, usually fastened together in chains in hinge at one end.
Magazines. Magazines are generally published on a regular schedule. They contain a variety of articles. They are generally financed by advertising. Periodicals. It is a published work that appears in a new edition on a regular basis as per a set periodic schedule. Most familiar examples, newspapers, often published daily or weekly, or the magazines.
Especially if you see all the newspapers will be published almost weekly or daily in different languages, different regional languages as well as Hindi, okay, etc.
Satellites. Satellites have made communication even faster. Satellites help in oil exploration, survey of forests, underground water, mineral wealth, weather forecast, and disaster management.
It is also mode of communication even faster. Satellites help in oil exploration, survey of forests, underground water, mineral wealth, weather forecast, and disaster management. So normally here the satellites help in the following manner, right? But it is mode of communication. It is also a mode of communication, even faster than.
Test yourself. Which is the longest railway system in the world? The options are A. Trans-Canadian Railways, B. Trans-Siberian Railways, C. Trans-Australian Railways, D. Trans-Asian Railways. Hint: located in Russia. The answer is Trans-Siberian Railways. Explanation: the Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railway system in the world. It connects St. Petersburg in the west of Russia to Vladivostok on the Pacific coast.
Let's summarize the topic. The earliest settlements developed near the river valleys because of the availability of water and fertile land.
Yes, children. Just now we have witnessed the video regarding the communications. What is communication? Communication is put as transforming the messages from one to another. And types of communications. Here communications are two types. One is personal communication and second is mass communication. Just now you have witnessed the videos regarding the personal communication as well as mass communication with various examples. Children, understood? Any problem? Yes. No. Now let us next class will recapitulate the entire topic once again. Thank you.